Keep yourself tearing up the outside trails when you're running around in this silhouette from Saucony. This Endorphin Trail uses the special SPEEDROLL technology that other Saucony products use. It allows the shoe to propel you forward effortlessly, so you can always be in control and run faster and longer. The upper is made with a durable net mesh that has a very nice gusseted tongue to keep out any debris, protecting you from anything on the trail, with the form-fit synthetic 3D design that wraps around the entire shoe and gives it a more hugging fit, with extra security, especially in that ankle and the toe. It has a quick lace-up system with a sock-like collar, so you can throw this on and keep it secure. And there's lots of foam padding on the inside as well to make sure it hugs your foot. It is going to be super breathable with that textile lining, and it comes with a removable foam footbed that has a cupped heel and some light arch support to keep you feeling great with each step. Underneath it has this very thick PWRRUN PB cushioning that's very springy and lightweight to give you a responsive feel as you're hitting each step and stone on your trail. While the outsole's Power Track design has this incredible rubber that has a lug design that goes down and up, so you can have extra traction when you're ascending or descending with this reliable shoe.